AI models like Claude are powerful right now, but they're locked in a box. They can generate ideas, write code, answer questions, and even hold conversations. But when it comes to actually doing something like actually taking action, or even triggering a workflow, or even generating leads, they kind of hit a wall. And that's the problem. You've got this brilliant AI sitting there, but you're still stuck copying and pasting and really manually pushing everything through your tech stack. It's like hiring a genius who can't use a phone or even send an email, which means most of us think that we're actually automating, but really we're just babysitting AI. Now you may have heard of AI agents, but they require knowledge, time, and investment in software like N8N or Make.com to really build out. But this is where MCP changes everything. So MCP, which stands for Model Context Protocol, functions as a universal adapter connecting Claude with various tools. So stick with me on this one. Currently, it integrates exceptionally well with Apify, one of my favorite tools. Now, this integration allows your AI assistant like Claude to take direct actions right within the conversation area, with support of hundreds of additional tools being added every day. No devs, no code, no glue scripts, just powerful plug and play automation. Well, kind of, once you've set it up, but we'll get to that. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use Claude and Apify with MCP to build out a lead gen system that scrapes, sorts, and delivers leads completely hands-free in the conversation area. And the best part, it doesn't stop at just lead gen. Apify's MCP gives you access to a growing toolkit of powerful automations, so you can move faster, do more, and scale smarter. So by the end of this video, you'll have everything up and running and a fully functional no-code AI workflow that you can use right away inside of Claude. All right, so to kick things off, we've got to discuss the absolute powerhouse behind this MCP, and that is Apify. So if you haven't heard of Apify before, it's a web scraping platform that gives you access to over 4,500 actors, which are effectively tools like a TikTok data extractor, Google Maps extractor, Instagram scraper, and so much more. And I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on obviously how to set everything up in this video. First thing you need to do is really sign up to an Apify account. So there will be a link below this video in the description. You can sign up to a free account. Once you've signed up, you'll have access to Apify and it'll look something like this. You can go to the Apify store and then you can see all the different tools. Now, if I click on this Instagram post scraper, you can use this directly in Apify, but the power really comes when we can connect this up to our day-to-day tools. So like I mentioned, you can connect this up to say Make or N8N.com, but you need to have the knowledge, the investment, and the time to really do that. Now, in this video, obviously, I'm going to show you how you can connect this up to Claude Desktop with an MCP and really use everything inside of your conversational AI. Let's set this up. I'm going to kind of go through a step-by-step guide. And if you wanted access to that step-by-step guide, below this video in the description, there will be a link. You click that link, add in your name and email, click download now, and it'll give you access to this step-by-step guide that I'm going to run you through here. So let's kick things off. Let's dive straight in. First of all, you're going to need to have a Mac OS or Windows computer or laptop. You're going to need the latest version of Claude Desktop. You're going to need node.js. So you just need to download this. It's going to allow you to obviously run what we're trying to do. You're going to need, I recommend having a Claude Pro account purely because you're going to obviously do a lot of testing with this and you're probably going to run a few different prompts and it's probably going to need a lot of tokens. So I recommend just signing up to Claude Pro. And then like I mentioned, you're going to need an Apify account. So let's dive straight in. And the first thing you're going to need to do is sign up to Apify. So you've probably or hopefully already done that, but sign up to Apify. Next, we're going to need to download and install Node.js. So that's here. You just click download and install it. Like I said, I've already done some of this, so I'm not going to kind of run you through that, but that's dead simple. Click on download Node, install it, and just leave that on your computer. Next, you need Claude Desktop. So I'm just going to go to Claude Desktop here, click on Mac OS, and I'm going to download and install the Claude Desktop. Click on the DMG, drag that to applications, and then just open that up. It's probably going to ask you to log in. Again, obviously, like I mentioned, you're going to need an account. Recommend getting the Pro account. We'll just start to log in here, accept that. All right, so we're now logged in. We'll click skip on there, and we're all logged in. All right, next step. So we're logged in there. Next step is we need to enable developer mode. So to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to open up Claude. We're going to go to help and we're going to just click on enable developer mode there. We'll click enable and that's all done. Next, we're going to go to Claude, and then we're going to go to the developer section, and then we're going to go to this folder, and we're going to copy and paste this following piece of code in. So I've previously saved this. Again, you need to copy this exactly, but then we obviously need to change a few things. We're going to need to obviously add our actors in, which are here, and then we're going to have to add our own Apify token in here. All right, so let's do this. Let's go over to Claude. Let's go to Claude there, go to settings, go to developer, edit config, and then we've got this here. We'll click on that, and then we'll get rid of these brackets and we'll paste this in. So now we've got this. We're now going to need to grab, like I said, we're going to add our Apify token in here. And then this is where we can obviously add in the different actors. So we can see here, I've got the Instagram scraper. If I wanted to add more in, I'll show you how to do that now. All right, so let me go and grab my token, and then I'll drop that in, and then obviously we'll update everything else from there. So to get your token, all you're going to do is go over to Apify, and you're going to want to go to your profile, and then you're going to come down to settings, and then you're going to go to API integrations, and then you're just going to copy and get your token from here. Next, you're going to want to go back to Claude, and we're going to want to go back to that file that we're in, and then we're going to want to drop our Apify token in here. Okay, so now we have our API token dropped in. We can now add actors in. So like I said, you can add as many as you want in here. And in my guide, I give you lots of different ones. So we've got kind of the Instagram scraper, we've got the RAG web browser, we've got the Google Maps, we've got the TikTok, we've got the Facebook, and we've got the Tweets one as well. I also kind of give you lots of different options and use cases in here as well. And then different Apify actors. So we can see here the different ones for lead gen, the different ones for market competitor research, and so on. But for this example, I'm just going to show you kind of the Google Maps one and maybe the Instagram one, just because, again, you can obviously install these and have a play around. So let's just grab that. I think I've already got the Google one installed. Let's have a look. So let's go to edit config, bring this open. So I've got the Google Maps installed. If I want to install another one, I'm just going to put comma and just drop that in there. And then I'm just going to click Command S and save that. And then all I need to do now is just close down Claude. So I'm just going to open up Claude and I'm just going to quit. And then if I just reopen Claude. Okay, so all we're looking for now is it'll say MCP has access. And then if we click on this search and tools and go to actors MCP, we can now see that those tools have been added. So we can see we've got the Google Maps scraper, we've got the Instagram scraper. So from here, now we can do is just ask it a prompt. So we could say, please scrape, let's just go with roofers from Stockport area in the UK. All right, so I'm just going to ask it a prompt. I'm going to run it and let's see if the MCP server kicks in. It should bring up a request. So we can see here it's adding it. And then we obviously need to go always allow. And it's running the Apify MCP server and it's looking for, like I said, location query, Stockport UK. It's looking for 10 results and it's looking for roofers. So we're now using the direct actor in Apify, using the Google search crawler, and we're going to pull through that information directly inside of Claude. So we'll take a few seconds and we'll see what results we get back. Okay, so it's ran its search and it's done its scraping and it's pulled through the top 10 roofers in Stockport, the UK. So it's pulled through all the information that I asked for it, website, the name, the number, their email, even their address and their Google rating as well. So again, you can see the power of this. We can scrape as much detail as we want. We can do this on Instagram, we can do this on Twitter, we can do this across any platform or any actor that Apify allows us to connect to. So super awesome to see. Love this tool, like use it a lot in my own business. And again, you can obviously add in as many as you want. You could scrape hundreds if you wanted to. It will just take a little bit longer. And obviously it will cost in terms of the run in the background. So we just look at this run my account, we can see it cost me 0.09, so what, 9 cents. So if you want to add more actors, all you do is come to the Apify store. You can search the actors. So let's say we want to add a TikTok one, and all you do is just grab the name. So you can see the Clockworks TikTok scraper here. We'll go back to Claude, open up Claude, go to Claude here. On the top left, go to settings, go to developer, edit config, open up this, and then obviously add this in with a comma, and then click save. So command save or control save if you're on a PC, and then just close that down, reset Claude, and you're good to go. So that's really how to connect up Apify, your MCP, and directly to Claude, and use those tools directly inside of Claude in the conversations tab. Like I mentioned, if you wanted to get access to my step-by-step guide, you can download it here with a link below, and then also it will give you access to kind of other options to use and some use cases that you can use this, what I've been doing in my online business, and then obviously some actors as well with each one of their names in here. So hope this was useful. Hopefully you get this set up in your online business, and obviously you can use the powerful Apify to help you scrape information and grow your online business. And if you thought turning Claude into a hands-free lead gen machine was powerful, wait until you see what ChatGPT can do with visuals. In my next video that I'll have linked up here, I put together 12 insane examples of how to use ChatGPT's new image generator, from content design to marketing assets that really stop the scroll. So if you want to unlock the next level of AI-powered creativity, make sure to check this one out, and I'll see you in the next video.